In a busy retail environment, managing inventory manually can lead to chaos, lost stock, inaccurate records, and frustrated customers. These are just a few of the challenges that come with traditional tracking methods. Not only is it hard to keep track of inventory, but unauthorized removal of goods is a persistent issue. The risk of theft is always present, and traditional security measures aren't always enough. Is there a solution that can address these challenges? Using the NXP UCODE 8 RFID EAS security label is a reliable solution. By combining advanced RFID technology with built-in anti-theft features, this label enables convenient and organized inventory management. With RFID technology, every item is tracked automatically. No more manual checks, no more discrepancies. Just accurate, up-to-date inventory that enhances your store's operations. By labeling RFID EAS security labels to the items, the system immediately detects any unauthorized removal or tampering of the label when an unauthorized item passes through the sensors at the store entrance, effectively preventing theft before it occurs. The RFID data enables smarter decision-making. From restocking to promotions, you can make data-driven decisions to optimize your inventory and boost sales. With the RFID EAS security label, you can say goodbye to inventory headaches and security concerns. Enjoy seamless operations, enhanced security, and happier customers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on RFID and NFC technology.